So there was this other question from 2022, the external examination, ECZ, question 19a. The question says, solve the equation x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 9. So now a lot of people found it very difficult to solve this problem because the method that they were going about it was a bit sketchy. So you've got x to the power 1/3 is equal to 9, and you have to find the value of x. So how you want to go about this problem is like this. So x to the power 1/3 is equal to 9. Okay, so of course we do know that the 1/3 there can be represented as the cube root. That's quite true. However, if you go about that way, you're going to be faced with a problem where you'll be able to work out the cube root of 9. Take, for example, in this situation, if you were to go about that route, where you have cube root of x, like so, that is equal to the cube root of 9, like so, it'll be virtually impossible to work it out, so this wouldn't make any sense for that matter. So how you want to go about this is quite simple. So you want to introduce the third power on both sides, such that you would have x to the power 1 over 3, put that in brackets, then introduce the third power up there, and this is equal to 9 to the power 3. Now what this would entail is that this power would multiply that power, and you would have x to the power 3 divided by 3 is equal to 9 to the power of 3. Now, of course, 3 divided by 3 is, in fact, 1. So you get x to the power 1 is equal to, again, 9 to the power 3. Now, x to the power 1 is still x, so we can just say x there is equal to, and then 9 to the third is simply 9 times 9 times 9. So it's basically 9 multiplying itself 3 times. So 9 times 9 will give you 81, so you get 81 times 9. And then when you work out this, you get x is equal to 729. And this is how you were supposed to go about that answer. If you attempted to go about the earlier method, where you find the cube root of x and you try to work out and you equate it to 9, this wouldn't have made much sense at all. The most logical way and the only way you can solve this is this method